皆さんこんばんは。ジュニアと申します。よろしくお願いします。Okay, so ngayon ay lesson 5. Pag-aaral natin paano gamitin si particle o, mina. Sa original sound niya is wo, pero pag siya ay naging particle na, siya po ay o. Hajimete ikimashou. Si particle o is used in Japanese to show that the noun before it is the direct object of the action of the verb. Si particle o ay dapat ilagay kay direct object or after the direct object. Direct object mean this is the thing affected by the action, what is being eaten, what is being bought, and etc. So kung anong kakainin mo, yun yung ating direct object. Yung bibilhin mo, papanoorin mo, yun yung ating direct object. Kasi si direct object is a receiver of an action. Okay, so verb transitive, there is a direct agent. Meron dapat gagawa o kikilos, the doer of an action. And there is an object, the receiver of the action. So dapat kompleto kapag verb transitive. Meron kang tagagawa ng kilos at meron kang object. Okay, so ito yung ating pattern. Topic, wa, object, o, verb. I will make breakfast. So yung I, siya yung topic. Ikaw kasi yung kikilos. Or ako, watashi wa. Lagyan mo ng particle wa. The next natin yung object na receiver of the action. Magluluto ako ng breakfast o gagawa ako ng breakfast, yung asaguhan yon. Siya yung makakatanggap ng action of the verb. Siya po si direct object. So lalagyan mo siya ng particle o. Then after nun, lagyan mo si tsukurimasu, to make. So watashi wa asaguhan no tsukurimasu. Next example, my mother borrowed money. Okay, yung mother mo yung gumawa ng action, kaya siya yung topic. So hahawa, then yung ating object, yung ating hiniram ay yung pera. Okay, so okane o karimashita dahil past tense na. Hahawa okane o karimashita. Next natin, I did not send. Letter D po ito. I did not send the parcel yesterday. So ako po yung gagawa ng action or gumawa ng action, watashi wa. Kino yung yesterday, nimotsu yung parcel, siya yung object natin. So kino nimotsu okurimasen deshita. Hindi ko sinend. Okay, so sinundan lang naman natin yung pattern. Topic, wa, object, o verb. Then next, idagdag po natin yung nakaraan, yung ating pinag-aralan na si time, si particle ni. So ito po yung pattern, topic, wa, time ni, object, o verb. Example, I will turn off the light at 8 p.m. So ikaw yung gagawa ng action, watashi wa, sunod, anong time, susundan mo lang tong pattern. Hachiji, lagyan mo ng particle ni, then object, denki o keshimasu. Watashi wa hachiji ni denki o keshimasu. Okay, next. Mr. Jess ate ramen at 12 noon. So, sino yung gagawa ng action or the direct agent? Active agent, si Mr. Jess. Siya yung topic. Jess sangwa. Anong time? Jini, jini. Ano yung object natin or the direct object? Ramen o past tense tabemashita. Okay, Jesu-san wa 12時にラーメンを食べました。Okay, 終わりましたみんな。そうじゃ、またね。